it can be calculated theoretically. There are some theoretical formulas that have been very helpful. They're useful, provide you a quick result, but we believe that it is important to double check these things always in the real time with the in situ monitoring. And here you can see like a small examples why. So for example, in welding, the theoretical formulas, they do not account for any changes in the beginning or in the end of the weld. So they assume the steady state throughout the process. But in reality, in the beginning of the weld, the cooling can be much faster because the entire part is cold and there is no heat that has been put in there by the few previous moments of welding. And as a result, we got high hardness in this experiment. And that is actually a typical situation that fast cooling in the beginning of the weld may result in a hard spot. And that's something that is important to keep in mind. And that's, I think, one of the illustrations why real-time monitoring is maybe more helpful than just traditional tools.